Do you want to open Spotify instantly with a side button on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Here's how to set it up. First, open Settings, scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Tap Side button, then tap double press. If the feature is turned off, you can turn it on. Now tap Apps, then tap the settings icon next to it. From the list of installed apps, select Spotify. Now return to the home screen. Then let's see how it works. Double press the side button. As you can see, Spotify opens immediately, so you don't have to search for the app manually. This can be useful if you listen to music frequently and want quicker access to Spotify. If you decide to use another app later, simply return to the side button settings and then select a different app. And that's how you open Spotify with the side button on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.